Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today is Tuesday, June 25th, and I just wanted to quickly talk about the SPY. The last time I talked about the market was a couple of weeks ago. I mentioned the trend was going higher, so that is likely where the market wants to go, and that's what happened. However, now look at the last few days. We had 2 down days in a row, which hasn't happened in quite a long time. This red bar here was yesterday, Monday, and then today we're kind of getting this doji, so a little bit of indecisiveness in the market, which makes sense because we are close to this 9 exponential moving average line. If it falls through and closes below the green line this week, then I am expecting the next target to be this blue line down here, which is a 21 EMA. At this point, it's a little bit hard to say. However, I am leaning towards more bearish because yesterday you can see the market closed a little bit below the green line, so that's already telling you there's not a lot of strength pushing the market up anymore. Plus, we had a red day with a big wick on the top, which means the market was trading in this wide range here, but ultimately finished the day down because that's where traders pushed it. So a lot of people that sold out at the end of the day yesterday probably don't want to risk the market going back up today and getting caught in the wrong direction. So we'll have to wait for today to finish, but we are out of a medium-term bull trend because this was the channel that I talked about a couple weeks ago, how we are going upwards. And as you can see, as of right now, we have broken that trend. So from here, whether the market goes up or down is going to depend on the momentum of this near-term downtrend here. Because if by the end of today or tomorrow, the market closes below the 9 EMA, then I would expect it to fall further. Or even if it goes back up, hits the top of this upward channel and then gets rejected, then that is a sign that the market is likely to head lower, because otherwise it would go back into this channel and continue going higher. And we can look at previously what happened when the market made a pullback. This was last month. You can see it was above the green line most of the time, kind of like how it was for the last couple of weeks up until just a few days ago. But then there was a huge drop on May 23rd, and the market actually closed below the green line, followed by a small bounce. But because that failed to reach the previous high point and basically got rejected at this resistance line, the market continued to fall, and it got to the next target, which was this blue line here. And even earlier in the year, like in March, you can see similarly how these big red candles, if it breaks through the green line, it's going for the blue line. If it breaks through the blue line, then it's most likely going to touch the red line, which is the 50 moving average. And when you have all the lines turning negative, that's when you have a downtrend, which means right now we don't have a sustained downtrend yet, but we'll just see where the market goes from here. Thanks a lot for watching. Good luck with your investments, and I'll talk to you in the next one.